Yeah. I got you on my mind. Yeah.
Greetings, YouTube. LaChina Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. In today's video, we want to bring you guys a 7-day update on Queen Annie's place. That's right, YouTube. Approximately 7 days ago, we planted Beauregard sweet potato slips at Queen Annie's place. Many of you may have already seen that video, and if not, you can check out our sweet potato playlist, and we have that video in that playlist along with other videos pertaining to sweet potatoes. At any rate, we did indeed plant Beauregard sweet potato slips in this planter about 7 days ago, and a lot has changed, YouTube. A lot has changed in just the past 7 days. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys right now and show you guys exactly how much has changed at Queen Annie's place in just the past 7 days. Take a look at this, YouTube. Indeed, YouTube, here we are at Queen Annie's place. Again, it has been approximately 7 days since we planted Beauregard sweet potato slips at Queen Annie's place. Before I show you guys exactly what they look like at this point, this is what they looked like just 7 days ago when we first planted these Beauregard sweet potato slips right here at Queen Annie's place. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what Queen Annie's place is looking like right here, right now, April the 1st, 2020. Take a look at this, YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam. Yes, indeed, YouTube. Are these Beauregard sweet potato slips looking fantastic or what? As you can see, they've already begun to vine out and are stretching out across our planter. And we simply cannot be more pleased with the way our Beauregard sweet potato slips look today, just 7 days after we planted them right here at Queen Annie's place in our front yard garden extended grow area. If you recall, YouTube, these two slips on the end down here were rootless. They had absolutely no roots on these two slips when we planted them here. But as you can see, they are indeed looking just as healthy and well as all of the other ones in this planter that did indeed have roots on them when we planted them. Yeah. A 7-day update on Queen Annie's place and my mom's Beauregard sweet potato slips. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you are currently watching this video and you're not currently subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Growing Beauregard sweet potatoes at Queen Annie's place. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Yeah. I got you on my mind. Yeah.
I got you on my mind, always got you on my mind, I got you on my mind, always on my mind.
I sat up in my bed, and it was late at night. Waking up from a dream of you and I got this lying feeling alright. I wonder if you know that you stay on my mind. You make me smiling, baby girl, you know you're oh so fine. I often picture us as we walk hand in hand, strolling slow and leaving love footprints in the sand. I wake up every day and I send you my vibes, just to let you know just how this lion's feeling deep inside. There ain't no other place, no woman in this world that can tame this lion, because I want to be with you, girl. No matter how far I go, no matter how hard I grind, and it don't matter what I do, I always got you on my mind.
I got you on my mind, always got you on my mind, I got you on my mind, always on my mind. I got you on my mind, always got you on my mind, I got you
the last minute. I've seen you 30 times, and that means that every other second of this life has got you on my mind. I wonder how you feel. Wonder if you even know that if you want me, girl, then you and I can take it slow. Wonder if you think of me. Wonder if I make you smile. I wonder if you feel me reaching out to you across the miles. Wonder if you dream of me. Wonder